Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to switch your distance units in Strava from kilometers to miles or vice versa. So let's get into it. First, open your Strava application on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Scroll down until you see the option called display and tap on it. Then tap on units of measure or units of measurement depending on your version. Here you will see two clear options, metric which means kilometers and imperial which means miles. Just tap imperial if you want miles or metric for kilometers. And that's it. Your Strava application will now show your distance in miles or kilometers based on your preference. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.